Hey everybody, it's Dave with another quick video for you about saving money, I guess, is the overall theme. As we know, everything's going up in price, everything's constantly getting more expensive, and if you're like me, you're looking to cut corners wherever you can. So with that in mind, I just wanted to show you a haul I got this morning. A friend of mine, someone had let me know. Well, let me start this way. I live about 90 minutes or so from Ocean City, Maryland, which is a resort town with a big boardwalk. And the city of Ocean City has been replacing those boardwalk planks all winter long. They did half of them last year. They're doing half of them this year. The boardwalk, it stretches like 3 miles, so it's we're talking a lot of lumber. And what someone called and let me know is that the contractor who was doing the work, instead of just piling all the lumber up, throwing it away or burning it or doing whatever, hauling it off to who knows where for who knows what, they actually stripped the nails out and they were selling it for about 50 cents a linear foot. So I drove down there this morning, and for a tank of gas, as well as some money, some cash money. Those are always my favorite transactions, cash money. We got a haul of 2x6 boardwalk planks, and I'm gonna turn you around here. There we go. So I've got in the trailer here right now. You can see how deep this trailer is, and it's literally full. Now, I'm going to talk to you about how great it is to buy used stuff, but then I've got two new 4x4x8 posts here. Pay no attention to those. Like what the lady say in The Wizard of Oz? Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Don't pay any attention to those, because I couldn't get those used. I had to get them. You had to get them new. These are the planks. So these planks came up. They're like the decking from the boardwalk. They replaced them every so many years. I'm going to say about 10 years, because the sun and the salt and the sand and literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of feet walking all over them eventually takes their toll. And the boards are in mixed condition. I'm going to show you one, for example, this one. So this is the side that clearly was up and getting all the weathering. But if you roll it over, this is the downside, the bottom side, and it's actually in pretty good shape. Now this one's a little split on the end. Probably could use some sanding as well as some sort of treatment if I end up using it for something. But some of the boards, this one, for example, this one's good. That's obviously, again, not bleached, so that's the side that was down. But even this one, the top side looks good. You can see they stripped the nails out, and so I didn't have to deal with that, which is really nice. It's a hazard as well as a pain, stripping nails. And 50 cents a foot each. So each one of these boards, this is a 10 foot board, 2x6, treated. That would run about, I don't know, $12 or $13 where I'm at with tax and everything when you're all said and done, and $5. They're going to be great for landscape projects. I'm building a greenhouse, and I had originally planned on putting the sheathing on the one side. It's going to be like a lean-to greenhouse, and it's going to have sheathing on the back. One side was originally going to be T111 sheathing, which is like a thin plywood. I may actually make it with cut and use these, and then caulk in between the joints and make it with a kind of an old style flare, as well as it'll be kind of neat to have these boardwalk boards repurposed and used instead of ending up in a landfill or being burned or whatever happens to them. So you can see they're different quality, and I'll certainly have to pick through them. Some of them are a little more beat up than others, but this can still be used for landscape projects or for many other outside uses. These boards have a lot of life left in them. They really do. They can go for quite some time. They were not, they did their duty on the boardwalk, but they were not in contact with the ground. They were not in contact with dirt and sediment, that sort of thing, that would cause rot or anything like that. They are just simply dry, very dry, and that's about it. And I encourage you, and I share this video because I encourage you that it's springtime. There's going to be all the people that yard sale or do flea markets and estate sales. All those things are coming back. All those things are getting ready to start blossoming again, so to speak, in the spring. A friend of mine let me know about this, and I was able to act on it, capitalize on it, and I saved a pile of money here. Like I said, I got these boards for less than half what they would be new, and for simply rustic or rough projects around the house, they're going to be fantastic. And I encourage you, if you're looking for something I'm going to turn you back around here. Hang on one second. There we go. If you're looking for a specific item or something, seriously, consider used. I mean, so many people are right now trying to declutter, reduce, sell things in order to raise cash for one reason or another. With the economy the way it is and lots of other things, it just simply makes no sense to be spending money on something new when you can get it just as good used or even better, maybe. I don't know. Depending on the way things are made anymore compared to how they used to be, you might find something even better than what's new. But take the time, look around. We all have the local social medias. Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. There's yard sales going to be happening soon. April is just huge for yard sales and people getting out and cleaning out and putting all their stuff up for sale. See if you can't get out there and find some treasures, not pay full price, and be able to get that project done or whatever that product is you're looking for, get it at a much more reasonable price. Keep an eye out, and as always, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.